Samagutle was discharged only to come home to Babele telling him that there's no trace of Boikie in the Namibian desert. Condition at Tibos turns out to be more serious than we thought, making her heart-to-heart with Mapiti telling her to fight for her family. And this new teacher turns out to be one of the guys that was with Lehasa in prison. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Skeem Saam. Kotiwa Meiki, they had a heart-to-heart saying, Hori, remember the conversation we had? Tiwos needs you more than ever. Mapit was also very open, saying that she regrets everything. I regret everything, ma. And with the divorce, I thought I was setting him free. I remember her yo white you and I'm and then they had to stop the conversation because BT came and wanting to go visit his father in hospital, but they said they can't go for now. But BT told her, why do you guys go? But I can't. And then Samagutle is getting discharged and is worried about Tibos, saying maybe it's his fault that Tibos has internal bleeding and all because he forced him to walk through the desert. And Liz is like, no, it's not your fault, man. We're still doing tests. Why are you not doing the operation? She's worried. They're worried that if they do the operation, he might die from the anesthetic. So they must just do some tests for now and wait for him to improve before they do the operation. Now, Boba Bailey, they got a report from the Namibian police saying that they identified Batuaba Tlokofetsingi, so Clinton Butler and the driver, Paul what. But there's no sign of Boikie. Now they're wondering, Tibos quiet, are they sure Boikie was there? And then Zamagutle gets discharged, he gets home, and his family is welcoming him. Jiki Babeile Shu is knocking, coming to ask some questions. Zamagutle, hey Munna, are you sure you guys were with Boikie? Because there's no trace of Boikie in the Namibian desert. We got a report about all the deceased people, but there's no sign of Boikie. There's nothing. And then Zamagutle confirms, yes, we were with him. He was in the plane with us. He was there. We were with him. Now it's Nyaki's weight against theirs because where is Boikie? And then he explained that Salah Lumaki Noga, a snake bit him and his leg was getting swollen and changing color. Maybe he died from that from the snake poison. But Pamela Arimara, if he died from that, then why can't they find his body, his remains, something, man? But there's nothing, there's no sign, there's no trace, nothing. Now it's confusing. What happened to Boikie? Ujileki pofolo, ujileki python. What's happening? Are there even pythons and other animals in the desert? Now it's a confusion. What's happening? Because there's no evidence of his presence. It's like he was nowhere near the plane. He was nowhere near them. Now it's like Zamogotlo hallucinated because where is this man? And now Tibos is unconscious, so he cannot collaborate the story. Come on, this new teacher, Mr. Kulu. He's weird, man. He's busy practicing, rehearsing, like, didn't they say he was overqualified? He gets to class, he seems overstimulated, like overwhelmed. He does not even know what to do. Jiki, he tells them to be quiet, and then they must start doing their work. Now it's like he wants to do a learner-led approach, like letting the kids lead their learning approach. Now, Alfred peeps through the window and realizes this man looks confused, man. Ukari does not know what he's doing. Evelyn is like, how? Musmuto is still new, man. Musakari, they said, this man is overqualified. This man is still new. Give him some time, Alfred. He'll warm up. And then the other teachers are also worried, especially teacher Rasili Tisha. He's saying that this man has his hand in the pocket all the time. What's happening? Something is off, man. He comes in making a weird speaking weird but Carol jumps through saying get low too shut. The next thing Carol wants to take him out for drinks. But Memro Sina's like hi awena man. Now he's saying Carol is going on with Michael Jackson wa high. And then this man, the reason the hand is always in his pocket is because it's like the hand was bent. Now when I look at this guy, this is the same guy that was with Lehasa in prison. Sale asked why he once bent his hand with oil because he used to work in the kitchen. But when saw this man lied and said he was qualified to be a teacher while he's not, because it's like he does not even know what he's doing. Come on, pretend Lehasa is struggling with their wedding plans because They don't have time. They're always clashing. Kamo Pretty, career high, and there's some case she's working on, and Kobas wanted her to take a lead on it. And then they miss each other again until Francois suggests, well, we must just get a wedding plan. I'll share some names. That can be a huge help for Pretty. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye.